Hey guys, what's up? I believe this is my Amazing Spider-Man number 7, so I'll be unboxing it. I'm kind of careful because I don't really want to wreck the comic, since the person kind of sent it weirdly, so I'm trying not to cut it here. You guys will see what I mean soon enough. Okay. This is Amazing Spider-Man number 7, the second appearance of the Vulture. Alright, time to take it up. And I believe that it's a complete comic, but it has like a couple chunks taken out of it or whatever happened to it. Yeah. All these pieces here. Looks like someone took a bite out of it. Alright. And this is what the back looks like. It's not that bad, like feels kind of weird. And there are a couple stains here and stuff. But it's in the worst condition. I'll be looking for the original cover for it. Alright guys, so that's Amazing Spider-Man number 7. Second appearance of Vulture.